Welcome to the new ToolSaver website. Okay, first thing you'll be asked to do when you land on the site at tool-saver.co.uk is to accept cookies. So if you do that, that's all you need to do, just press that button. Right, first thing you might notice when you scroll down the page is that these products don't have any prices next to them. If I click through to this product here, no prices, sign in or register for prices. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to just go back to the home page here, which is accessed by just clicking the logo at the top of the page, and I'm going to click register. When I register, it's going to ask me for some basic details such as my email address, a password, and for my name, address, phone number, etc. And it tells you here if the field is a required field or not. Okay, once I've done that, an email would come through to the people at ToolSaver, and they would then approve the account and set you up with a price list. I'm going to sign in now. I've already been set up on a price list. Once I sign in, it takes me to my account page. The first section on my account page is all my previous orders. You can see there's various other options here like messages, addresses, payment methods, recently viewed, and account settings. Messages allows me to message my account manager at ToolSaver and they can message me back. Addresses, that allows me to have as many addresses as I like on file here. It means I can ship to various addresses. Payment methods, that allows me to add in things like credit cards, that kind of stuff. Recently viewed shows me all my recently viewed products, and account settings lets me go in and change my password. If I go in here to one of my recent orders, just click through there. It's going to tell me all about the products that were on that order. So on this one I had 3 DeWalt lasers and 1 Telesteps platform. Tells me when the order was placed, how much it was for, what the payment method was. In this case it was a purchase order, and the current status of the order, which is completed. It tells me where I shipped the order to, and it tells me what the billing address was. It also tells me here under order comments what the purchase order number was. I can actually reorder items on a previous order. So it's a quick way of adding items to your cart. As soon as I click reorder, it's added 3 of these products to my cart. Now I might not want 3, so I can say by pressing the down arrow that I only want 2. I can actually type in a number that I want as well. Okay, so I've added 2 of those to my basket. You see the total here, including VAT. You can see also that the excluding VAT cost is there too. Now, I want to go back to the home page and continue navigating through the site. I can do that in a couple of ways. I can navigate through some categories here. So if I wanted to go to cordless combi drills, I would navigate through that way. Shows me all the cordless combi drills here. You see now that under the products, the price is there. That's the price from the price list that I've been assigned. Okay, so let's say I only want to see 2 different brands, Makita and Hikoki. Then that filters down the product list to something a bit more manageable. You can also filter by price as well, as you can see here, if a specific price range is what you're looking for. You can remove any filters at any time by clicking there and add any other filters that you like. Okay, so that's how to navigate through the categories. You can also search for products. So you start typing. As soon as you type in 3 letters, it starts to suggest products that you might want. So I've typed in DCK2, so you can see a couple of DeWalt products have shown up here. I've got a couple of options here. I can quick view, or I can add it straight to my cart. Quick view just opens up within a light box on the screen, the product. I can add it to my cart from here. I can add as many as I like. It tells me exactly how many stock we have at the moment. Okay, and you also have various different images of the product as well, just so you can find out exactly what you want. Scrolling down, It tells you all about the product specification, etc. Okay, in some cases you might know exactly what product that you want, so you can add that straight to your cart from this page. And you see here it's added it in. I can then add some more onto my order on the cart page. Back to the home page again, and you don't actually need to navigate back to the home page. You can actually search from any page or access these categories from any page on the site. Down on the home page, you can see feature products. There may be products that we've got on promotion at this particular time. And also you can see the most popular products. These are the products that get the most sales on the site. So they're what everybody else is buying, so tend to be the most popular products. Okay, a couple of other things. There's a page here that takes you through to see some of the main brands that we sell. And if you click through to one of those brands, it would take you to all the products within that brand. Now, for example, Bosch, there's a massive number of products that they've got, 123 accessories. If you click on that, it takes you down to the category level for Bosch products. So I can go all the way down to, let's say, flat wood bits from Bosch, and there you go, you get them right there. So it's dead easy to navigate the site. I'm going to add that one to my cart, and again, it takes you straight to that page. Something else that's available here back on the home page is this here on the menu, which is called Tool Saver Deals. So these are our current promotions. At this time, these are not available to order on the website. These are available by contacting your sales representative in the Tool Saver office. And you can see power tool deals, hand tool, accessory deals, etc. Okay, so that's the Tool Saver deal. So from this page, we have to navigate back to the home page. And from there, I'm going to click on the cart button. And I can either view cart, which would take me back to the cart page you saw earlier, and you can see a summary of the products here, or you can check out now. By checking out now, it takes you to a new page. I'm already signed in, as you can see here. It's asking me for my shipping address. I have got a number of addresses on file here. I'm going to select that one. I can select a different billing address, or I can use the same address as the address I'm shipping to. So the last thing I need to do here is enter a purchase order number, press continue, and it takes me to this point where I'm going to place an order on the site for all these products that you saw. Takes me then to a summary page of my order. I can print out my invoice here, or order summary, or I can continue shopping. So that is the new Tool Saver site. It's available right now. All you need to do is register, and it's open to everyone.